Welcome, this is Broke and Free, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to tie the bowline knot. This is a knot used a lot on boats, but it's a great knot for anyone to know, especially people who tie things a lot, like hikers and climbers. So, let's get started. The bowline knot is a great knot for fixing any kind of line. You can tie this knot in a rope to make a loop in the rope, or you can tie this knot to something else that you can wrap the rope around to add a rope to that object. It's a tension knot, so when it's loaded, the knot gets tighter and makes it more strong. But unlike many tension knots, it unties easier than any other tension knot that there is, which makes it great for anything that needs to bear a very large load or very thin or grippy rope. Here's how to tie it. First, you're going to grab a pinch of the rope and make a loop. When you make the loop, you want to make sure that the top strand is behind the front part of your coil. When you do that, you're going to hold it there and take the other side of the rope you can call the working end, and you're going to pass it up from underneath the hole. So you can imagine almost like a rabbit coming up out of its hole, then it's going to come straight up and then around the back side of this top rope. Then it's going to go right back down. And that's the bowline. You can kind of imagine it like a rabbit coming up out of its hole, going around a tree, and then going back in its hole. I'll do one more time. You can replay this as many times as you want, so you get some really good practice. You're going to take a coil and fold it just like that. Then you're going to take your working end of your rope, and the rabbit comes up out of its hole, around the tree, and back into its hole. Then you can tighten by grabbing these two strands and the top strand and pulling it tight. When you tie this, you want to make sure that the strand that's going to be loaded is this top strand here. It's okay if any of these other strands get loaded. It is made to hold a load, but it's best practice if you use this top strand here. One more time. You'll be able to tell the knot is right because on the front you'll see this thing that to me looks like a tongue, and beneath it will be a little coil. The front side looks like this, and the back side looks like this. I hope you feel confident in your ability to tie a bowline now. Like this video if you do, and comment if you have any questions. And if you're trying to try some alternate styles of work, maybe find a job on a boat, go check out my channel and find the Greenhorn Guide playlist. You'll find this video and many others to help you find some new styles of work, maybe get a job on a fishing boat. Till next time, YouTube, peace.